Hello, today's video is going to show you how to download and view feedback on your essays that you've submitted to me after they've been graded. This will work for any assignment. I'm just going to show you an example of an evaluation essay from English 102, but the basic process is the same for any essay. So first go to our D2L page, like I have done here, and go to Dropbox, just as if you were going to submit your paper in the first place. You'll want to find the Dropbox associated with the assignment, so in our case, for right now, website evaluation essay. You'll see a score, which is your grade. You'll see submissions where you submitted the work, but what I want to show you right now is under feedback. Now for mine, since I don't have any paper submitted, as the teacher, there's nothing here, but you'll see an icon that you can click on that will take you to a page with a file to download. Make sure you download the one I submitted for you, not the document you had originally submitted. And that will give you feedback that looks like this document right here. Now you may need to click in a yellow bar, enable editing at the top of the document, and your software may also have under review a button called show comments. I would suggest clicking on that so that all of the marginal comments are available. Now with any graded essay, you're going to be seeing several types of feedback. First of all, there's going to be marginal comments. On the side, this is going to be pointing out specific things that are done well, as well as things that need improvement. So I'd strongly encourage you to read through there with each comment for the whole essay. Then there's usually some general feedback, overall view of what comments I'd already left. And finally, the part that you're probably most interested because it's directed at your grade is the rubric has been filled in. As you can see, different areas are highlighted. That's the points that you have been awarded and earned for that section of the rubric. So the standard is here, then the different categories, and the highlighted version represents what you have turned in. So you'll want to look through those to get a sense of how you did. You'll also notice some have comments. So here, it's commenting specifically why that point value was chosen in case it may not be clear otherwise. And then the total in this essay's case would be out of 70, so then transported into a 100-point assignment. That's the final grade. So you'll want to check all of that on your own feedback. One last thing to remember is any assignment can be resubmitted by the guidelines in the syllabus, so you'll want to check that out. But as you are filling out the resubmission sheet, if desired, you want to just pay attention to where you did well, where you could still grow from the rubric, and then you can focus your efforts on that to make your essay stronger if you desire, which is a really good idea. But make sure, regardless of what you're going to do with the essay, read the feedback, understand where your strengths and weaknesses lie so that as we move on to further essays and other writing assignments, you'll be able to best utilize your skills and build on areas where you need help.